Hello everyone, today I have a very special guest with us, and he is none other than he is a person who recently won Mr. Glamour title, and he is none other than Mr. Karan Dholi. Welcome Karan to this show. And since Mr. Karan, I want to ask you directly that what is your feeling and how is your feeling after winning Mr. Glamour? Since I have been told and we have heard that you are the first runners-up in Mr. KYF this year, right? Yeah. So how is your feeling after winning Mr. Glamour and Mr. first runners-up of Mr. KYF?
Well, after winning this Mr. Glamour, it boosted my confidence a lot.
Okay.
Well, I should say that because since I've been participating in two shows, recently I participated in Mr. Takora, then I've come up with Mr. Glamour.
Okay.
Then both these shows, it boosted my confidence, for which reason I participated in Mr. KYF, and even in that show itself, I won the first runner-up. I'm glad, I'm happy, I'm excited, and I see myself to participate in those kind of pigeons in the future.
Have you ever participated in any pageantry apart from the competitions that you won recently? Since you participated in Mr. Glamour and also in Mr. KYF, have you ever participated other than this?
Yeah, I've participated in Mr. and Miss Takora 2019.
Okay.
It was held in Dimapur. And then I was the second runner-up of that show.
Okay.
And then after the Glamour show, I participated in Mr. Assam 2020. That was held in Guwahati.
Alright.
And I was the second runner-up of that show.
Oh my god, I didn't know about it. Okay, so it's very interesting that the first runners-up of Mr. Assam is here with me. So many congratulations again to you, Mr. Dholi. Okay, so my question to you is, why you are choosing this profession? Why you are choosing this profession? Many people, it is very rare in our society, a man who is participating in such profession. So why you have decided to enter in such profession?
Well, I'm passionate about modeling, I should say. I feel this kind of beauty pigeons, they are my stepping stones, which will lead me for further success, as I'm aiming to, as my aim in life is to become an actor.
Okay.
Like I've been planning to become an actor when I was in class 10, I suppose.
Okay.
I've been aiming for that, and then with the support of my family, they have been supporting me a lot. With their support, it made me participate in this kind of beauty pageants, and I respect each and every beauty pageants. I feel that they are the stepping stones for my future, which will lead me to success.
As you're talking about your family, right? So, could you tell me about your family? How many members in your family, and are they really supportive with you?
Yeah, well, my family, they are very supportive to me. I have two elder sisters.
Two elder sisters.
And two younger brothers. I'm the middle one.
Okay.
And then my mom, dad, along with us, my aunt, my mom's sister, she stays with me, with us.
Okay.
And then my family, they support me financially, emotionally, morally. They boost my confidence. Before I go for any shows, my mom, she prays for me.
Okay.
My dad, she wish me best of luck. Along with my family, not only my family, but then even I have two cousin brothers, I should say. One, his name, I'll just mention his name. His name is Raja Daura, one, and then the other one is Ajay Doimari.
Okay.
These two cousin brothers, they support me a lot. Whenever I'm about to participate any show, they call me up, they ring me up, and then, hey brother, where are you? And I used to say him like, oh yeah, I'm participating in a show. Then he says, oh, best of luck, you have to win by any means.
Okay.
They used to support me in that way. They used to support me financially whenever I need any amount to participate in this kind of shows. They just help me. Even my dad, all my family members, along with these two cousins, they support me a lot. And I really like that.
Okay.
Of course, if any of the directors, they offers me for any movie, I'm sure that I will be there.
Okay.
I will shoot that. I will go for this shooting, and then, like, I'm planning to shift to Mumbai right after my graduation.
Alright.
I've already set plan for my future. Like I'm planning to go to Mumbai right after my graduation. There I'll be taking acting classes, and then I'll try my level best. I'll suffer a lot. I know I'll be suffering, but then I'll try my level best to become an actor. God knows, even I don't know like what will happen, but I believe that I can.
All right. Okay. There are many person. There are many men who look forward to do modeling and also to do in the film profession, right? So since you are, pursuing such a profession, right? So what are the difficulties you face while doing so? Do you face some problems, or do you face any difficulties pursuing in such profession?
Yeah, we face a lot of difficulties. Like since we belong to middle class family, we faces financial problems, and then there are people who tries to pull us down. They say that these are not going to help you for future. But then somehow, inside me, there is a feeling that yes, I can. When other actors they are doing, modelers they are still performing, why not I? That's the feeling that boosts my confidence to certain levels. And then since we, the middle class families, we faces such financial problems in this participating those kind of shows, like we have to look for our dressings, for our expenditures. What I do is like I earn my own pocket money so that I don't depend on my parents. I earn myself, and then to look after
you earn
the
yourself.
expense.
You earn yourself. Okay. What activities you do for your earning?
I do part-time jobs. Part-time jobs, like once I was working as a collector in one of the that was a society, Naga Welfare Society. They provide loans to the business groups. So I was the collector of that society, and then I take two tuitions in a day. So you're teaching also, right? Yeah.
Okay, just tell me. Yes, you are doing this profession. So, what you want to encourage the younger generations who have been looking to enter in such profession? What are the potential they should have to enter in such activities? Since many people they tell themselves that if you have not this potential, if you have not this capacity, you should not enter in this profession. So many things that has been raised in such profession. So what do you think that what are the potential that should a model or a beauty or such pageantry that should have or they should not have? What are the things that you want to encourage the younger generation?
First of all, they should have confidence. The main point is confidence. If we are confident enough, we can achieve whatever we want to. That's the first point. Second thing, height matters. But height matters in the sense like there are different kinds of modeling. So height matters in runway models, but they can work in commercial models. They can work as an advertiser, something like that. So the third thing is somehow looks matters. So it's up to us, like we have to take care of our own self. And then no one born beautiful, like they nourish their skins by themselves. That's all thing. And then like they should have style. Style. They should possess one style, like that should be unique, so that suppose a person looking at me, they should catch my style, like this person is different, something like that. They should have unique identity inside them. That's all I say.
Alright, so just tell me that what are the styles that you like, what kind of styles you prefer, since there are many styles. I don't even know about how many styles there are, but you will be better to know that what kind of styles you prefer. It's like such as I like to dress such type of dress, so what are the things that you like?
Regarding the style, in my according to me, for my dressing sense, like I prefer casual dresses more than formal dresses more than casual dresses. Since when I was young, my father he used to buy me casual dress like jeans, sneakers and all, but I just reject those things, and I just want that formal pants and formal shirt along with the tie. That describe a person's gentleman, how gentle he is. That's one thing. And then second thing, I like clean environment, like I don't prefer any unhygienic environment. So that's the second thing.
Okay.
And then
all right. So then just tell me that do you face or do you experience any discriminations among your while doing so? Since I have been I have been told or I have heard that such discriminations has happened in such professions. So do you face any discriminations till now while performing in such profession?
discrimination in the sense,
Such like the caste discriminations that you belong from this community, you belong from that community. So do you face any such criticisms in you?
okay, regarding the discrimination, no, I haven't faced any discrimination right till now.
Okay.
I should say, because like while participating in Mr. KYF, I even thought that they might discriminate me since I am Nepali, and almost all the contestants were Karbi peoples.
Okay.
And then, but I'm glad that nobody discriminated me. Like they just thought, in fact, they instead boosted my confidence. Like it's okay, you're Nepali, you're unique. The president of UKY team, he just told me that you are unique, you are Nepali, you are unique. You can walk in the ramp alone while it was doubled. So like those acts, it just like motivated me. Yes, since they are supporting me, why not I?
Okay. Just tell me why you are so handsome. Okay. Just tell me why you are so handsome. Since I have been watching you, and even I hosted Mr. Glamour also, and even I experienced that you are the one who I really like you about. So just tell me why you are handsome.
I guess I'm glad to my mom and dad.
Okay, alright.
that she gave birth to a handsome guy.
So you should be very proud of your son, since he is achieving every activities, and he is achieving different awards now. So I hope your son will make you proud in the days to come, and you will definitely love to see him in the next level. So all the best, Mr. Dholi, for your future. And my last question to you is, what you want to say about the Cut News channel, since this is a small news channel? So if you do you have anything to say about this channel?
First of all, I would like to thank the Cut News channel that they have invited me in the show, and then secondly, I would like to thank the anchor.
Oh, come on.
Since he treated me so nicely, I'm so glad. And then Cut News channels, I guess after coming to Diffu only, I heard about the show. But then the channel itself, they captures each and every show, I guess. That's the reason why we can see different kinds of videos in the YouTube. Those recent festivals and all recent videos they used to upload. So the Cut News channels, they are doing a great job. Thumbs up.
Okay, so another last question, but not least. Who is your role model? As you have said that your mom and dad is your role model, but who is the person that really inspired you to do such activities, or really inspired you to enter in such profession? Do you have any person who really inspired you?
Okay, regarding the inspiration, I take my dad as my inspiration. Because the way he help us, he does all the hard work. He's honest, I should say. Like he is trustworthy, honest, kind. I can't describe him right now. Since he is the sole earning person of our family, he manages to he manages to look after the needs of all the children along with wives and all. So the way he works, he is not educated, like he's under electric, and then still he is earning, and then he is looking after us. So that inspires me a lot. That's the first thing. And then my second inspiration is Ranveer Singh.
Oh,
he's my second inspiration. I guess you have seen my beard last time.
Yes, I saw your beard,
So he is my second inspiration. The energetic level.
It seems, he looks like you. In fact, the thing is that not only about your bed, on the entire face and the entire postures you have, it's very similar with the Ranveer Singh.
Really?
if I don't know, I don't know whether but Ranveer Singh is watching this video or not, but I can say that he looks like Ranveer Singh. Anyway, Mr. Karan, thank you so much for coming to this show. Since every viewers I want to thank, I just want to tell you that in our life there are a lot of difficulties we face, but a person like Karan Tholi is very encouraging, since he appraise everyone, since he said that he loves to do modeling, and also his profession is to do a model. So we wish, on behalf of Cartoon Channel, we wish him a very good luck, and in the days to come we will definitely pray to God that he will success in his life. So for the moment, Mr. Karan Tholi, thank you so much for joining in this show, and all the best for your coming days, and hopefully you will achieve everything whatever you want in your life. So do you want to say anything last?
Yeah, lastly, I would like to thank this news channel, Cat News channel, for inviting me in the show and having a talk with the anchor. So lovable person he is. And then I would like to thank my mom and dad. Like, since mom and dad along with my sisters and brothers, like, they support me a lot. Along with them, my two cousin brothers who supports me. And then I would like to wish all the contestants who were participating in the Mr. Glamour show best of luck for the upcoming futures, along with the contestant of Mr. KYF. And then thank you everyone for supporting me and having me in the show.
So thank you so much, viewers, and keep watching Cat News for more news and more videos.